Okay, so I've got a new beard oil company to introduce you to today. Now this one is called Bliss. It's very new, probably around 6 months old. And if you go to his website, you can find it at bit.ly/beardbliss. If you go, you will notice one major thing. He's only got one product available at the minute. This is it. Comes in the green bottle with the white label on it. Ingredients and how to use regular sort of label on there. But well, why is it so low? Why has it not got all different scents out there, different flavours or whatever? Well, that's exactly the point. Dave was really suffering from the irritated skin. That's nasty. What he found out is he's allergic to some essential oil, so he decided to make his own unscented oils only, unscented products. Like we've got the oil bringing out a wax. Hopefully it'll be available in a couple of weeks or a month or so. That's just in the process of getting sorted out, getting all the right checks and labels and stuff to get it going. So it's really good for people who do suffer they can't use scented beard oils. This oil, well not that one because this one's mine, but if you've got your own, it will cost you £9.98 for a 30ml oil just like this. Anyway, let's take a look at the oil. It is unscented. Let me say that, obviously it's not going to smell like frankincense, it's not going to smell like black oil, bit of brute going on, none of that. But because it's unscented, doesn't mean that it doesn't have a smell to it. And it does actually. From the bottle, you kind of just get that oil scent, it's beard oil. A slightly thicker oil, a slightly thicker oil. This way it's good for those people who are going for the medium length, long beard. It has a bit of weight to it. So it will actually give a slight give a bit of weight to the hair there. Just help keep it in place that much better. The ingredients of this one, they are grapeseed oil, safflower oil, sweet almond oil, golden jojoba oil and castor oil. But I said it's a bit of a smell to it. It is. It's kind of a peppery scent. Now it's all natural, so there's nothing added to it to give it the extra boost of the smell. Do you know what it reminds me of? Have you ever been to these kind of fancy places where you've called for a sandwich? Like garden centres or things like that. And they give you the sandwich. It's always got triangle shaped. And it's probably about that big. Really tiny sandwiches. But they always come with a bit of salad garnish and some kind of avant-garde crisp I lay on there. I think it's more just to fill the plate up to make it look like you're actually getting fed something. That, with the garnish, you grab a bit of garnish and add the crisp. That is the smell you're getting from this oil. Peppered crisp in salad. What am I talking about? Well, I don't even really know, but that's the only way I can explain. And it's not a bad smell. I don't know if you like the idea of that. You think the salad smell. It's a natural kind of smell, isn't it? And it's pleasing. But it doesn't hang around long. It's only when you're getting out and you're rubbing it on your fingers. You just apply it. You just got that slight whiff. I've tried it a few times and I've got that a couple of times. Sometimes I put it on, I've not really got it. So it's it's only a very slight smell. So it's not going to stick around. You're not going to get a waft of it as you're going about your day for an hour or two afterwards. It's just that initial application where they got it. And as a person that usually likes scented oil, this one came as a surprise. The quality of the oil is good. Quality of the oil is very good, and I've got to say I do really like it. When he brings out the wax, I'll have to give that a go. When he brings out the other stuff, I'm going to have to try his products. It's a good oil. Next week I will be interviewing Dave and we'll have a bit more of a discussion about his company and where he's going with it. Now before we go, I'm going to do the obligatory begging here. Please give a like and subscribe down here somewhere. It helps. Click that bell notification so you get notified when I'm putting stuff out there for you to watch. Just so YouTube gods look down on it nicely. So if you're thinking of trying unscented beard oil, or you can use scented ones because it really irritates your skin, give this one a go. Beard Bliss, £9.98 a bottle. Can't argue with that. Laters. Toodles.